Hello and welcome everybody. Today I'm very excited to bring you this unboxing of this package that I got from Japan. So I've been waiting for this one for a long time, actually for years now, and it's finally arrived. And I'm hoping that it exceeds my expectations, though my expectations are already pretty high. I ordered this actually when I was in Japan and visited the guys that make these. So let's have a look. It's very well packaged, and yeah, the box already looks pretty nice. I mean, it's black, but still, I'm just very excited. Let's get in there and see what we do. So you can see here, it's a very special thing. It's made by Kumitate lab, and this means, I think, please correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this means Raden, which is a Japanese technique of making these beautiful abalone shells. So these leaves, wow, that's amazing. These flower petals and these leaves, they're cut from abalone, which is from mussels. And then there's like multi-layered lacquer in these with some gold dust. And it's beautiful. This is the right side. And the pattern is called momiji, which is Japanese acorn, I think. And this one is called sakura, which is Japanese cherry blossoms. So I chose the blue for the left and the red for the right. And yeah, there's a placard with some personal information on that, so I'm not showing this. So let's see what we have below this set. Right, so you get a microfiber cloth to keep them nice and clean, branded. And you get, oh, this is awesome. You get a pelican case, which is a waterproof case to carry them. It's very robust, so it will be like immune to shocks and all that, basically. Also with a custom placard. And then, yeah, the last thing is just a like kind of generic, like small little box. All right. So, just gonna try to show you guys these in detail. So I don't know how well that shows up, but these are amazing, like super beautiful. The model that I ordered, oh look, there's another leaf here. The model that I ordered is called the Sirius, which is a 4-driver IEM, 4-driver per side, all balanced armatures, and it's tuned rather like a reference sound. It's not very bassy, and there's a slight tilt to the upper mids, so especially female vocals will really shine with these. I only tried the demo version, and really excited now to check out the custom one. Gosh, these are beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm very excited to listen to them. And yeah, I can only imagine that they will match my expectations. Wow. So I hope you can see how nice they look. It's really a work of art. And these are all custom hand cut by one guy who's called Ito-san, and he does these in a small shop in Tokyo. All right, thank you so much for watching. This was really exciting. I'm super happy. I'm gonna give these a listen, and maybe I'll do full review later on. Thank you guys.